Morning. It's the 15th Feb 2023, and I'm a little bit late. I'm actually late. So here's the thing. I wanna trade London Frankfurt Open. Recap of yesterday. So this, I just want to show you how I go around my trading. My trading is a bit impulsive, so I just come to the market, see what's in the market, see how it's moving, look for opportunities and go for them. So we'll start with yesterday. We had the CPI. There's two types of CPI. I'm sure there's this where many people concentrate, but this is the main one, 0.4, but still this has high volatility. We see it went 6.4 higher. People expected 6.2 is reduced. The inflation is reduced, but I mean, when you look at from the central banks, things are. There's still room for space. I think they're heading for 5.55, 5.45 there. That's the Feds. So, shit. Just I want to open this candle. I have a slow computer. If you love me, please donate so that I can trade better. So, session drops. This is Forex Live, very good place to get info about trading. I'm just gonna refresh this page. So as you can see, yesterday we had CPI here, core CPI 0.4. It's increased this month, so inflation is still a threat, don't know much. Today morning we had RBA Governor Lowe speak. I really wish I traded that, but yeah. So 10 we have GBP CPI. Let's look at here what we have for today. Yeah, CPI retail price and CPI checking out. It's produced a PPI it's zote. Oh fuck, there's a lot of news coming in about inflation at 10. That's roughly 26 minutes from now. So at least we know how it looks like. So I'll probably expect to enter around 10, 15 there. I'm sure the news will bring enough volatility for what I'm looking for. So I opened. I usually use currency strength for relative strength. And I look at the Dow Jones future. So let's start with the Dow Jones future and the DXY to know the market situation. So here's the thing, dollar rules the market. 88% of trading FX trading involves the dollar. The leading indicator is usually the US 10Y, and when we look at this, let's just look at this real quick. We see there's a bit of a fall. 8, we start to see this run. We don't know how long it will last, but really we can say we've gone lower, but we're in somehow a range, as we can see. So let's look at DXY. DXY is up, chances is Dow Jones is down, and we're in a risk of sentiment. Actually, wow, DXY has really gone up. This was CPI. We had this strong thing here, and I think it's triggering an uptrend, as we can see, coming up from the CPI. So we look at the currency relative strength. We haven't looked at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, good. We are down some points. Let's look at that. It's about 80 points. That's a good point enough to reiterate the risk off sentiment. So when we look at risk off, we have yen. We're gonna buy yen. We're gonna buy the dollar. We're gonna sell New Zealand and Audi. I'll keep it that simple. Anything else we can do? We can look at CAD maybe, but I think I'm gonna buy these two currencies and sell these two currencies. Let's look in the past 4 hours how things have been. We see Swiss francs up, New Zealand AUD is down, so we might look at Swiss franc as well. So our USD is pretty down. So we're gonna see, will this continue? Let's look at the charts. Let's start with yen pairs. Do I have this all over here? AUDs, yen. We do have all of them here, so I'll use this profile. We'll start with yen. AUD yen and New Zealand yen. So when I look at this, we're in an uptrend. Testing the 50 MA could provide a good opportunity if we'd have a rejection here. So the currency looks good. I had some arrangement. I used levels, got them from the daily chart. I don't think there's anything new here. We can see this level here. Let me just focus in. Yeah, pretty much there. That's that. Let's look at the 4 hour. So we have this here. We have this here. So I use moving averages as well as support and resistance, basically levels to watch out for. And I see there's quite some space here. We'll see. There's a confluence. This is the daily. We've seen 50 moving average. Actually, it's the 100 moving average when we look for. When we look at the 1 hour, we see the confluence here. We'll just put a level there, and I'll put it blue or just that orange here. Let's look. So something interesting, this was the daily local high. Now we have a new local high. We broke this yesterday, but we're back in. I'll just maintain it, and since we have a level here, no point for putting. So we're looking to buy. Let's see. This place was broken. Should I consider it or not? Let's jump into the 3 minute and see the situation here. So the market's been coming down. Oh, I wanna sell, man. Damn, that's messed up. I can sell this market. We jumped from New Zealand yen. Look at the 1 hour. We're also in an uptrend. We're going to be in a downtrend. Let's look at CAD yen. CAD yen also in an uptrend. So it seems selling the yen pairs will be hard. Let's look at AUD 1 hour. Oh, nice. We're in a downtrend. Although the dollar is right now losing max. But let's look again. Let's look at the DXY here. Just to place things. I mean, I don't see the weakness. That's weird. That shows in the past 4 hours. Oh, there we go. So AUD USD is good. So let's just scan for more from this chart. New Zealand USD as well. Overall, let's look on the daily. The Swiss franc not that strong overall, but USD is strong. We look at Swiss franc, but let's go to New Zealand USD. There we go. The 1 hour. You guys need to buy for me a laptop, man. So as that loads, for 1 hour, there we go. What's happening? Where's the moving averages? Oh man, my laptop's hanging, man. So we might look at, there we go. We're in a downtrend. Actually, we had a signal here. Market's really gone down. I really wish I trade Asia. So what we do, let's look at the levels, daily level. I don't have levels here. Let's just quick AUD. I think AUD have rough levels. I'll deal with them the way they are. So we have this point playing here. There is support here. want to mark out this place. Right now I usually have a color scheme, but I'm pretty much late. I'll just work with what I have. So we have that there, and we have this here. When it's out, so we have a level already blocking us here. Generally is right from around there. Yeah, I'll take there. It's just around that area basically, but we can just expand the area to this point. So we're looking to sell from here to here most probably. Let's look at the forward chart. We crossed. Wow, this is good incentive. I'm not want to go all in Audi, because also, like, if you look from the 1 hour, it's the same. This is a signal. It's really not gone far. Let's look at Swiss franc, because I don't like this New Zealand thing. It's really pretty much gone. If you look at it, it's really pretty much gone. But who knows? It's hard. Let's just map out stuff here real quick. So we have this support, we have this resistance, but going down, I mean, I don't need to map out any other levels. We're going down. Shit, I moved it. I'd say from here, as many touches as possible to around here. We'll put it as zone. So we're looking to sell all the way here. Okay, we'll look at the 4 hour. We're above those and we're above those. So we'll see how it'll happen here. There's quite some pips though, from this level to this level. 12 pips. So let's look at the Swiss franc, New Zealand Swiss franc. We are also in a downtrend. In a signal here. I think I like New Zealand Swiss franc better. Let's have a quick look at how the Swiss franc today. I'm gonna Swiss franc will look at the 1 hour. At least I got levels here. These levels really are crumbled. I'd like to put new ones. Control A, delete. But let's look at the 1 hour and look at the situation. Oh, we just broke this, so I think I'll go out the Swiss franc, out the USD. Pretty much that. I'll settle for that. So let's just minimize all the other charts. All the USD, and then boom. Now we have that. So that's the situation here right now. So let's map levels on the Audi Swiss franc. Audi Swiss franc. So on the daily, we have this support here. I like to incorporate all the touches. So we're gonna go around that level there. Now we have here quite a confluence of blockages. We'll see how many pips there are there to see if it's gonna block us. There's this point here. We can see there was resistance there, and pretty much that's it. Let's go for the 4 hour chart. Nice stuff. We just broke stuffs there, so we just put this level here. We've incorporated that. There is a support level here clearly, so let's just consider it. But I don't take levels from the 4 hour chart, so I'll leave it. Go to the 1 hour. I take the local high and low. That's the highs and lows for the past days, which were set yesterday. So this is quite a level to look at here. So quite a confluence of levels there. But in terms of peepage, we have a freeway here. We can have our SL above these lines. Let's look at the 3 minute and look how it is. So looking at this, we have this level here, the low of the day. So I like to gauge just like how far did this go, I learned from a guy called Naveen something called the rubber man stand. So we look at this situation here like this. Let me just expand this for you. So we see the market count, we see buyers coming in, sellers still strong, sellers come, buyers, sellers still strong, buyers, sellers still strong. Here we have a real buy impulse and then break, and then now here holding up. Sellers coming in quite strong here. So we've broken. You'd say we sell, but let's wait for 10. What I hope is 10 would spark a reverse, and that we might sell from around here. So if we're gonna sell from around here, let me just push this way there. If we're gonna sell from around, because we expect buyers to come test this level again, hopefully, because we broke test 1 2. If it goes, unfortunately I won't have a good trade, or we might, because we already have a breakout. We have a couple of 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57. So those are 6 candles to go here, 6 more candles. So the 6 more candles, we'll see how it handles. And that's pretty much it. So if we estimate we're selling from around here, I think the best place to put the SL will be just above this place. So that's 17.2. I'm just gonna note that somewhere. So I'm looking to risk about 17.2 pips on our the Swiss franc. Let's look at our USD. Whoa, really going down. So we're at this level right now. So let's jump to the 3-minute. Wow, that's just one hell of a breakout. When we look at this, there's a lot of constraints here. So I'm gonna look at New Zealand, this New Zealand Swiss franc, and see how it fares off. Not bad. New Zealand USD is quite gone. So I'm sure it's pretty much the same situation. We had a breakout that way. So we've had a breakout right now. I hope it goes back. So let's get levels here. So we start with support. I can see some support here. I'd put it from here to here. This area, so that's a support zone there. We have this level here, we have resistance there. So we are selling, we're pretty much looking on the downside. That's pretty much it. We go to the 4, we are good there. We go to the 1 hour there. So as I told you, I take the local high and low for the past 5 days, one including the trading days. Was 1 2 3 4 5. You can see the local high is here and the local low is right here. So I'm still gonna incorporate that. Really, if I look at this, man, we're sailing into already quite zones. And if you look at the daily, I mean, this support here, we're entering in a support zone. So if I was to trade this, I would rather clear this of a retracement and go down. New Zealand Swiss franc, the Swiss franc though, is quite good, and we'll see how we'll take it there. New Zealand Swiss franc, let's jump into the 3-minute. I'm sure there's space there. Yeah, there's space. If I was to put my SL on New Zealand Swiss franc, so the Swiss franc. So if I was to put an SL here, I pretty much put it. If I was to sell, I'd sell. Let's look, because we're expecting a retracement as we're seeing right now. So I'd expect to sell where So we've had that breakout. Is this the daily low? I just want to confirm. Nope. So back to the 3 hour. This is by, we're expecting a retracement to sell around here. So my SL would pretty much, I'd put it pretty much there. So 13 pips, that's New Zealand Swiss franc. 13 pips. I'm also gonna consider AUD USD though. And what about New Zealand USD? The thing about New Zealand USD, it's really gone, you know. It's really sold out. And who knows though? We can go farther. I'm really stressed out about this. So just a little bit, something that might influence my trade here. Let's look at the recession wrap up real quick. So here we go. We're looking at Asia wrap up. Also central bank. I wanna hear what the here lower said says not at the peak for rates yet. Not sure how they'll go. That's a bit of a hawkish statement. So maybe I'd want to short New Zealand. Who knows? He spoke at around. Let's see. He spoke at around 3:15. So let's just look at the charts for AUD. 3:15. AUD USD would be a good place. So here, 3 minutes. Need some water there. Alhamdulillah. So 3:15 should be 2:15 on this chart. Let's just go to the 15 minute. Again, you guys buy me a laptop, man. There we go. So 3:15. Market ranges, he speaks, market goes down. Took it dovish, so back to here. We ain't seen any retracement, and I'm starting to think of considerations. I still want to short Swiss franc. I don't know. The USD situation, but USD strongest, you know. We might break farther. So if I was to sell in this market, but look at the number of resistance, would have to go through this. So I'll just keep that in mind. But if we are to sell in a situation now, let's just look at the 3 minute. How many pips is this area? There's about quite some pips, 6, because we compare. Okay, so if we were to sell from this area, we'd expect coming here retracement in the back. So maybe we'd sell here and then have our SL probably somewhere here. So 10.11 pips. That's how the USD. Let's look at New Zealand USD as well. Probably would have offered an opportunity. I'm not sure if I mapped out all the levels here, but yeah, I mapped out the important ones. So we go forward, nothing here, 1 hour, all gone. So if we want to sell this, let's look. There's some space there, so let's jump to the 3 minute. We'd look for a retracement coming here and some really gauging of power, so probably would sell here. It's really hard. It's really hard. Would really look up. Let's see, this point here is which one. So this is just the zone I created. Yeah. Should be the local high, local low, probably, yeah. The look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Should be the local low there. To my case, it's an important zone. So maybe a break of this would make something interesting. So probably still would sell at this zone if we have good momentum, but SL would pretty much here. So let's just have some room of space. 21 pips, that's New Zealand USD. 21 pips. So I have all that. Let me just do my money management real quick. I'll just do it here. So we have 4 charts right now. So the market's still selling. I don't like that because I feel like I should have been in this sell. Came in quite early, but let's see what 10 will bring. We have 13 minutes towards that. Let's do the money management. So I use my FX book. Exactly this. So we're gonna start with, also pay for me so that I can avoid these ads, please kindly. So we start with the Swiss franc, the Swiss franc account size. This is an FTMO demo. It's 50.83. I don't think I'll pass this 50.83 to 0. Risk ratio, definitely 1%. 17.2%. So let's calculate. So we're looking at a situation where we have 2.69 lots. That's all the Swiss franc. $2.69 lots. 2.69. Let's go with the USD. Already started to feel tired. We are looking at the pips of 10 pips. Interestingly, 10 pips. It's a lot of 5.01. Let's just confirm that. How did I come up with 10 pips for this one? That's interesting. Because if we had a retracement, I'd still sell somewhere there and there. Oh, here's the thing. Yeah, thank God I remembered. Need to break this level, so that's why I was thinking of selling around here. Yeah, let's put like 12 pips for an allowance. So 12 points here. Calculate 4.17. I shouldn't have done that. So I start seeing maybe a retracement. I hope it comes through. Let me just confirm this. 4.17. 4.17. Okay, dokie. So let's look at New Zealand Swiss franc. New Zealand Swiss franc. New Zealand Swiss franc. We had 30 pips there. Let's just remind ourselves from where we're gonna sell. So we're expecting a retracement and selling somewhere here. Yeah, so that's pretty much. So we'll just put that in 0.5 pips. Calculate that, that's 3.43 lots. 3.43 3.43. Finally, New Zealand USD. As we can see, there's a range coming into Frankfurt Open, which has a lot of CPI news for the pound. So we're gonna see how that's gonna go. Most probably, I'm gonna go for Audi Swiss franc and New Zealand Swiss franc. But also, maybe I should consider USD. Let's look again at the currency situation. Audi is the weakest, though. I also like to look at the 4-hour situation. Still, Audi is the weakest. So maybe I would want to back Audi Swiss franc then, because Audi USD we have a lot of serious levels here, confluence of levels. So maybe we would want to go Audi Swiss franc and New Zealand USD. We'll see whatever will happen though. Let's look at the 1 hour again here. Did we have a signal? That's a signal to me. Audi Swiss franc. They have a signal though, but I mean that's a good break. Okay, okie dokie. This side, no, there wasn't a signal, but the market has really sold. Also, they have a signal. I think I'll go New Zealand Swiss franc, Audi Swiss franc by the looks of things. So let's see here. We're seeing a range here. We're in a range here. So what else would I want to do? 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 Continue learning what's happening. Close this a little bit. So I'm back. I mean, let's look what influenced me. The dollar is really coming up. US 10Y is coming up, so that's an incentive to go for the New Zealand USD. Halo. Poa sana. Sara ananiambia kuna gari unataka kujua size ya tires. Ni number plate gani? KBH. KCB ya D. Iko garage. Sawa, hebu acha niangalie then nikwambie. Yes, you got it, guy. Oh shit. Yeah, you see, can seems to go higher. I wanna look at DXY. No, Dow Jones. No, I wanna read stuff, especially this wrap up. So Australian jobs report is due Thursday. That's tomorrow. Canada bans all research funding with the European Central Bank Wednesday. Japan spoke on his new the best. What does that mean? So a lot of news, but let's just read this. There have been small gain for the dollar during the session here. Euro, pound, news from Swiss franc, and even yen are all at a soft start against the dollar. So the dollar is really so on local markets. Digested CPI data. There was not a lot else of impact. So we had bank lawyer testimony, governor lawyer testimony in front of Parliament committee today. Interest rate. He said he thought they had further to rise but couldn't say by how much. Both comments seem right. He covered a wide range of topics. See bullet as above. Yeah, we see here Pharrell. I don't know why he's doing this. Or he's gonna be like the next icon for Louis Vuitton. And from people, China Bank had an additional funds via midterm lending. Exchange rate, this is strongly suggestive of no change to come. On central banks, the Hong Kong, HKD, I don't look at the private survey for oils. I will look at oil, and that's pretty much it. Really no incentive to go for anything, but I think I might want to look at this more detailed to really know if inflation is way too high. There's a risk the bank has not yet raised rates. Now that's hawkish. So while we're having a break, I'm really confused. I don't want to jump into something that's moving. So it's 2 minutes. I don't know how long the video is. 36 minutes. Let me pause for the 2 minutes. Okay, it's 1 minute. Let's just wait. I can check here. I thought New Zealand Swiss franc. It's a visual tool from BK Forex. Best guys on Forex and indices trading, especially the Dow Jones future. So it wasn't a signal, but anyway, we had a bounce on that. So as we see, we were ranging, the market went lower. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Market's open. Not seeing much of a reaction. Well, there we go. So the market's breaking there. Market's breaking. And I'd probably go for this because the other ones are pretty much gone. But always wait for buyers in when you're selling. So we are seeing the market just starting to go up. It's a tough call for me here. It's a tough call for me here. So I'm gonna pause this to digest what's happening and come back when I'm about to trade. Just a little bit. Let's see how the news is impacting the dollar. SDXY. So we had a shoot here. I'll definitely go to the minute. So we had somehow like a breakout. Back to the charts, man. Damn, this one's going lower. I really don't want to jump into this. As much this is a good sell signal, I really don't want to jump into a trade. I hate this situation, man. I really hate this situation. I might probably not trade. But I'm looking, I might look for this one here, AUD/USD. This is quite annoying. the Swiss franc. I was looking at 17.2. Wow, if I sold, I would be going for profits here. So we have the first 3 minutes done, and we see this went lower. New Zealand kinda held, went up. So I'm gonna pause this again, come back, have a bit of work. I'm trading at work. Though probably the way I'm seeing things, I might want to go for this trade here. But let's just see how things will pan out. So I'm gonna pause this and come back later. So I'm back. Market slid down. Quite an unfortunate situation, but we still seen it back up. I'm interested in this just real quick here. I'd like to put the dollar index 3 minute. I use my phone to look at the Dow Jones. So we're seeing the dollar going down. It's reflective over here. We're still seeing that. I'm looking forward to trade this market really, to be honest, because AUD has been the weakest, dollar is the strongest. I've jumped into the minutes. So we had a break, we came here, touched, just like a break, retest. So I'm a sell on the cube here. I'm thinking of going all in here, but let's see how the recovery will be. Because we did see buyers coming in quite strongly here. We see the dollar losing out. I really wish I sold early here, because looking at this was what time? 9:30. I would have just gone for this breakout, bro. I would be in profit right now. I'd be quick and done. If it's still going further, I mean, we can't sell, man, because this would be a target area here. It's just 10 minutes in. New Zealand is weak because, I mean, if you compare, yes. I'm gonna go all in like this. Just gonna give it some time. I'm seeing Dow Jones open going down, but it's starting to come up. I'll give it a little bit of time. We've seen the dollar index coming up again. Just a real quick here. New Zealand just D. It's quite. So looking at price action, maybe I'd want to sell somewhere here. Is it 13 pips? I'm gonna have to change 22 pips. Oh, I had actually put 21, so it's fair. So the Dow Jones kind of climbing up. Dollar's going down. So we had a range here, breakout. I still want this market to give in, both these markets to give in. Here it's not bad because we did see this and this. You see here it's barely any, it's just down. So we see we've touched the 20 moving average, going above it. We've seen the dollar index coming down here. Now we start to see this coming up. This one my preferred, New Zealand Swiss franc. Oh, the 1 hour here. How the USD does have a bloody signal. Let me just show you what I mean. Dollar's going down, so it gives us time. How the USD, look at the USD. It did have a signal that's really interesting there. Jump 3 minutes. Now I'm looking at this. So we broke this level and tested. Let's just look on a money management perspective. Selling around here. It's not far off from what we looked at, so that's good. Okay, I see Dow Jones start to fall now. Will we go lower? Because market opened, Dow Jones started falling. 15 minutes here. Market was going low. Opening of London, we started seeing the Dow Jones going up. And it's still going up. So I have some other team of traders. They're buying Audi. Interesting. And they're selling New Zealand. They're buying Swiss franc. I'm buying Swiss franc. That's quite interesting. But I'll stick to my principle. I will sell Audi. Just let's see how currency has been affected by that open. New Zealand's really improved. Pound has been hit like shabada. By that, I've looked at pound USD here. Now that the news are out, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? I think I'll just stick to what I know. So this is the action I wanna see. Same here. Let's just look at this New Zealand Swiss franc. So we've seen buyers coming in like those this swing and it's fully recovered. So we want to watch out for a sell and see what buyers will do to sell. Here we've had like a 70% retracement. Here is barely no retracement, which kind of means strength, you know. So a sell out of this, but really, if I look, I have a level there. How does this fare off? Because when I look down here, I have good space to go. And if I look here, we have levels to do, man. So I might circle for this too. So we've touched, this hasn't touched the 20 moving average. This one has touched, it's breaking. So what we do, we just wait. We just really wait. This doesn't offer me a good risk management if I look at this. Neither does this. The Swiss franc I was looking at 17 pips. Whew, I feel a bit tired. 17.2. So I usually go 2/3, take profit of 2/3 of my SL. So 2/3 of 17 pips in the Swiss franc. That's 11.4 pips. Let's just see this. We could risk it. We could risk it. We could risk it. I think I'm gonna diversify on Audi. I wanted to go all in here, but became a bit hard. Man, it's a bit harsh. 11.4. Let's just look at this situation here. I don't know, I might cut this early. And go for this. Let's just look at the situation here. cut this one out. Could go lower. The thing is, I mean, there's a lot of resistance here, and my target's somewhere here. All right. You see, I'd like to diversify, but wait. What do you mean? How was I seeing this? 11.4. 11.4. How did it look on the 15 minute? Now I look at this on the 1 hour again. I mean, local highs, I consider them very important. So I don't know if the market's gonna break this. Yeah, and my pips, you see, I'm seeking like 11.4. Anyway, so I want to diversify, but that doesn't work out. Let me just quickly close this before I lose anything on it. So I've gone all in AUD/USD. I like this cause going lower, we don't have any thing. We at the local low though. Oh shit, there's a local low here I didn't take account of. Let's just see. Shit, that's fucked up. Anyway, AUD/USD, I was going for 10 pips, so let's do this. 10 times 2, that divided by 3, 6.6. But I think I'm kind of okay. Let's just do real quick money management here. Trading here 30 points. That's 11 points there. And this other one is 11.5. So times 2 divided by times 2 is equal to that divided by 3, 7.6. So I'm gonna come here. So that's that. It's 7.3, and that's that. I have a retracement there. So as you can see, I play within tight ranges. This went quite well, but you see, the problem of this, it's coming down well, unlike the USD one. But the problem with this is I had to go all the way up to here, and I don't know how the market would react on this level. It seems the dollar is losing out strength. Let's look at the dollar. So this level I'd put. I might have just gone from a good trade into a bad trade. Because this has gone quite well, but anyway, we're still close to pips. And there we have our first hit. Could we push lower? Easy peasy pips. That was real quick. Quite tight ranges. But that's how it is, man. That's how it is. That's how it is. So let's look at what we've earned, if it makes sense, because I was a bit worried maybe it's not worth it. Yeah, that's enough. That's exactly what I aim for. 316, 417. So that was really quick, yeah. So that's how I trade within tight ranges. Do my money management, yeah. So you see, this area is where I was scared of. Let's just look at New Zealand USD. I would have probably sold here. I was seeking 20 pips, still had a long way to go. Let's look. 21 times 2, about 3. We had 14 pips to go in this one. So probably would have had my entry here. So still got a long way to go. This New Zealand Swiss franc. I was looking at 13 points. I've probably had my entry here. Still a long way to go, so pretty much this was the right move. So that's my trade in the flow on 15th of Feb 2023. I know these are tight ranges, but I like to play within these areas, within, like, you see, the market breaking here gave me confidence that we have a strong support going on forward. It will be resistance right now. I have enjoyed that. I'll put the last clip, and yeah, have a good day.